Let's look at a couple of the problems on page 498 from the text, simplifying some trig expressions. Starting with number 6, we have the tangent of theta times the cosecant of theta. First thing I'm going to do is rewrite them using the definition of tangent and cosecant. So tangent would be sine of theta divided by cosine of theta. Cosecant is 1 over sine of theta. And then just looking, I see I can cancel the sine with the sine, leaving me with 1 over the cosine of theta. And rewriting that, I get secant of theta. Now let's try number 18. 18 has secant of x minus cosine of x divided by the tangent of x. So first thing I'm going to do is to rewrite each one in terms of sine and cosine. Give myself a little room here. So secant is 1 over cosine minus cosine divided by sine of x over cosine of x. Now, my favorite way to get rid of fractions is to multiply everybody by the least common denominator, in this case, cosine of x. So you get to be multiplied by cosine of x, and you get to be multiplied by cosine of x, and you get to be multiplied by cosine of x. And then we cancel stuff. Leaves me with 1 minus cosine squared of x divided by the sine of x. And Pythagorean identity tells me that sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. So 1 minus cosine squared is just sine squared of x divided by sine of x. Leaves me with just 1 times the sine of x. Let's do one more where we simplify a trig expression. Let's look at number 20. We have sine of x over the cosecant of x plus cosine of x over the secant of x. Again, we'll just start by rewriting them in terms of sine and cosine. Sine of x divided by 1 over the sine of x plus cosine of x divided by 1 over cosine of x. And of course, fraction division just means invert and multiply. So this is the same thing as sine of x times sine of x plus cosine of x times cosine of x. Oops, forgot my x there. So sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x is equal to a happy 1, and done.